Hello, today is Tuesday, October 3rd, 2023. This video is from Adam Taggart and Lance Roberts and titled, A Market Bounce, Then Look Out Below. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Market Volatility and Potential Year-End Rally. Lance Roberts discusses the recent market volatility and attributes it to end-of-quarter positioning by hedge funds and mutual funds. He emphasizes the importance of technical analysis in understanding market trends and timing entry and exit points. Chapter 2. Inflation and Consumer Sentiment. The conversation delves into the recent data on inflation and consumer sentiment. Lance highlights the decline in the PCE inflation measure and the negative trend in real disposable income and personal savings. These indicators suggest that the effects of stimulus and liquidity are wearing off and could impact the economy going forward. Chapter 3. Government Shutdown and Stimulus Measures. The possibility of a government shutdown is discussed, with Lance noting the high odds. He explains the typical pattern of debates and finger-pointing that lead to a continuing resolution to fund the government. They also discuss the impact of future stimulus measures, with Lance suggesting that sending checks directly to households may be the go-to solution in the next recession. Chapter 4. Understanding Consequences of Monetary and Fiscal Policies. Lance emphasizes the importance of understanding the long-term consequences of monetary and fiscal policies and their potential risks to the economy and markets. Investors are encouraged to be cautious and consider the potential impact of these policies on future market conditions. Chapter 5. Yield Curve and Market Impact. The conversation focuses on the yield curve and its impact on the economy. They explain the significance of the long end of the curve rising, which has a larger impact on the economy compared to the short end. The current optimism of the markets and reluctance to adjust projections or take action is seen as a risky approach. Chapter 6. Opportunities in the bond market. The potential opportunities in the bond market, particularly with longer-dated treasuries, are discussed. Bear steepening, where longer-term yields rise, is seen as beneficial for bond buyers. The speakers express their bullishness on bonds and their strategy of buying more whenever the opportunity arises. Chapter 7. Housing Market and Job Market. The housing market is examined with a focus on 30-year mortgage rates reaching a 23-year high and pending home sales at a record low. A correction in the housing market is considered imminent. Jobless claims are noted to be low, but other indicators should be considered for a clear picture of the job market. The challenges in the Chinese real estate market and their potential risks to the global economy are also mentioned. Chapter 8. Trades and Investment Strategies. The speakers mention that they have increased their equity exposure and are fully exposed to equities and fixed income at the moment. No recent trades have been made. Chapter 9. Wealthion Conference and Financial Advisors. The conversation concludes with a reminder about the upcoming Wealthion Conference, where attendees can gain insights into the current economic landscape. The option of scheduling a free consultation with endorsed financial advisors is also mentioned to discuss individual investment strategies. Overall, summary, the video covers various aspects of the economy, including market volatility, inflation, government shutdown, stimulus measures, the yield curve, opportunities in the bond market, the housing market, and the job market. Lance Roberts emphasizes the need to understand the consequences of monetary and fiscal policies, while also encouraging caution and considering potential risks. The conversation provides insights into potential investment opportunities and risks. The speakers also highlight the upcoming Wealthion Conference and the option of consulting with endorsed financial advisors.